Okay, so few students have shared their projects with me, but they haven't made them visible. Let me show you how it appears. If I just grab this link from here to my browser, it is supposed to be visible, but actually it is not. Okay, so what you are supposed to do is go to your profile, click here, then go to my stuff, whatever project you have made will appear over here. Okay, all of your projects will appear over here, either you have saved them or not. Now select any of your project. For example, let me select this. Okay, so this one is already shared. Let me go to my stuff and open any unshared project. These are the unshared projects. Okay, so let me open this one. These are the few things which I just did to show you something. See, now the option appears, this project is not shared, so only you can see it. Click share to let everyone see it. Now I will click over here. The link doesn't change, link is the same, but now the project has been shared with everyone. Then copy the link and post it over here, or just click on the link from your own profile, then share the project and then comment that you have shared the project. Then it will become visible to everyone.